Hi, my name is Kevin JP Ebsworth. I'm going to tell you about how video is the best way to communicate. Since video came into the online world, things have progressed really quickly. Everyone is now jumping on board with creating videos, using videos for selling online product courses. Also with sale videos replacing long website sale letters. 90% of online courses are now on video, plus with the boom of lives like Facebook Live or YouTube Live, you can gain more interaction with your audience. The main problem that we face these days are when people start an online business, creating professional videos can be very expensive, and not everyone is willing to talk in front of the camera. Some people are just camera shy too. So what if I can tell you there is another way? A way to create professional looking videos like the ones you are watching right now. What if you can simply load your text into a software and then click a button? Then once you've clicked the button, it generates a video slideshow picking different slides relating to the words by using a sophisticated engine. This software can also do voiceovers if chosen so, but I will always choose your own voice as people will connect more with you. This software supplies you with theatrical background music to go with your videos. This software is so simple to use, just by using the icons on the left hand side and a few clicks. That's it. And the best bit is, it's cheap to use. What is this software, you're probably asking right now? The name of this amazing software is Vidnami. If this interests you in any way, I will give you a 25% discount for life. How does that sound? That's 25% discount for life. But that discount is only through my link below. You should come and check it out for yourself. Just click the link below.